We're open 8 to 5:30. One of your hooks is out. Hey.
No.
Ice.
A lot of shit.
Bye.
Whew. This is gonna sound nasty. Starter on it?
Yeah. Oh my God. Look at the tree. Look at the tree right there. The air freshener is right there.
Oh, shit.
Oh my God, my $200 coat.
Where? Oh, right there?
Right there.
That one's running out.
Thank God it didn't fly out. Babe, where's my Coach purse at? Yes, that's the Coach one.
That's Coach. Don't lose that. Wherever the hell that is. It's
So they went up there. The rings in there.
how much did it cost? Oh, that could work for us, isn't it? Is it? Small little thing?
Yeah.
Small ones and the big ones.